Hello everyone. Welcome to the Digital Skilling Preparation online course. Today, we are going to see how to view the various versions of Google Documents and also the history of the document. When you are typing a long document in Google Docs and if you accidentally delete some content, you can always retrieve it from the document by a feature called Version History. Google Documents saves every change made in your document from which you can restore your previous versions. You also can find out who had made changes in the document through the version history. Now let's see about these features in details. To access version history of your document, go to the top of the Google document and click here. Or you can go to File, Version History and select See Version History. You can see a number of different versions available. Scroll down until you find the version you are looking for. You can also click Show or Hide Changes. Here you can see the changes made by you or any other persons working in the document. This name indicates the person who made the particular changes in the document. You can also view the changes made by them in the document as displayed here. To restore an earlier version, click on a particular version and select Restore. Please remember, always restore the latest version because if you are restoring any older version, you lose all the recent changes which are made in the document. Now, let's see about naming a version. You can name a version by clicking on the three dots next to the version in which you want to name. You can name it in such a way that you can locate it later easily. You can also copy any version in a separate document by selecting Make Copy of the Version document. You can filter to only show name versions by clicking on this option. It will filter only the versions which were named by you or others. This version history can be used in other Google applications like Google Sheets and Google Slides using the same steps we just saw. Hope you have now understood the process of seeing history and restoring the various versions of your Google documents. Thank you.